Hey all, hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to multiply numbers which are near to 50, 500, 5,000 and so on in just a few seconds. So this technique is known as the base method. In the last video, we had covered the first part of the base method where we multiplied numbers nearing to 10, 100,000. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll recommend you to go through that video first. The video, you will find it in the I button above or the link is in the description. So we'll move forward with this video. So let's move on. So this technique guys is almost similar to the one we had seen in the first part of the base method. There will be only some changes that will be happening at the end. So let us first see the two conditions that will be coming across. So here guys, as you can see, I've stated the two conditions that will be coming across. So the condition one where both the numbers will be less than 50. So for example, the numbers will be like 48 into 49 and 44 into 43 where both the numbers are less than 50. And the second condition where both the numbers are above 50. Both the numbers are above 50. That is 57 into 59 and 51 into 53. And there can be one more condition which we won't be covering in this video. I'll be covering this trick in the upcoming videos where one number is above 50 and one number is below 50. So this condition 3 I'll be covering in the upcoming videos. So let us see the first two conditions in this video. So let's move on. So here I have taken three examples. So here I've taken three examples. So first of all, our base is 50 and the first example 48 into 42. As our base is 50, we just subtract these numbers from 50. So 48, it will be 50 minus 48, that is minus 2. 50 minus 42 is minus 8. So now here there will be two sides which will be formed, the right hand side and the left hand side. On the right hand side we multiply these two numbers. So minus 2 into minus 8, that will be 16. And on the left hand side what we do is either we do this or we do this, that is 48 minus 8 or 42 minus 2. So 42 minus 2 is 40. And then the one thing which we do here is divide this number with 2. Divide this number with 2. While we were doing with 100, we used to take this number as it is. So we are doing with 50. So we'll divide this number with 2. So 2016. So 2016 will be our final answer for 48 into 42. So I hope the example 1 was clear. Let us see one more example. This technique will happen a lot faster. I am also explaining you at the same time, so it will take time for me to do. So let us see one more example, 48 into 49. So here minus 2 and minus 1, when we multiply this we get 2, and here we get 48 minus 1 or 49 minus 2, so here we get 47. Now this number is odd, this number is odd. In the first example the number was even, so the first example the number was even, so here we have to take care, if the number is odd we have to subtract 1 from it, we have to subtract 1 from it. And here in this place we have to write 5, we have to add 5, we have to add 5, I'm sorry, we have to add 5. So here we get 46, we get this thing, and then we do the same thing, we divide this by 2, we get 2352. I'll show you one more example with the same thing, that is 45 into 46. So here that is minus 5 and minus 4, which turns out to be 20, and here 45 minus 4 will turn out to be 41, minus 1, and then dividing it by 20, that is 2, and here we'll be adding 5, that is 70. So 2070 is the final answer for 45 into 46. So I hope the case 1 is clear to you. So let us move to case 2. So here I've taken two examples for case 2. So the case 2 will also go in the same way, only in the right side there will be plus and the rest of the case will be same. So here we get 24 when we multiply these two numbers, and 54 plus 6, that is 60. So this is an even number now, so only dividing it by 2. So very easy, 3024 is the final output for 56 into 54. Here one more example, 55 into 56 plus 5, 50 plus 5 and 50 plus 6, we get 30 here. And 56 plus 5 is 61. So as this number is odd, we will be subtracting 1 to get 60. And when we subtract 1, as I said, we will be adding 5 here to get 80. This number remains the same. And after that, we will be dividing it by 2 to get 3080. So 3080 will be the final output for 55 into 56. Before moving on to 500 and 5000, one thing that you have to take care of is when we multiply with the numbers with 50, there are two places on the right hand side. So even if there is one number, when we multiply it with 50, like 5, so you have to write 0 on the left hand side, so there will be two places. Similarly, while multiplying with 500, there will be 3 places. And while multiplying with 5000, there will be 4 places. So even if there are blank spaces in the front, you have to conclude with writing zeros in front of them. And one more thing is, this 5 which is added is always added on the first side, of the right hand side, with the first side on the right hand side. So let us understand this thing more clearly looking at the examples. So let us see 3 more examples, some numbers nearing to 500 and 5000. So here 496 into 497, the base will be 500 here. So here it will be minus 4 and minus 3. So just taking care of the left hand side and the right hand side, the multiplication here will be 12. 496 minus 3 will be 493. Now this is an odd number, so minus 1. And when we do minus 1, we add 5 here. So this 5 will be added on the first position. As the base is 500, we have to take care. There are 3 numbers on the right hand side. There are 3 numbers. So there will be one number here which will be 5. When we add 5, and these 2 numbers will be coming down as it is, that is 512. So this will be 492 over here, dividing it by 2, which will give us 246 and 512. Just taking care of one thing, that when we do it with 500, there are 3 places on the right hand side and 5 will be added on the first place of the right hand side, and the remaining 2 numbers will be coming down as it is. So let us see example 2 now. Here the base will be 5000. So here plus 1 and plus 5. So just dividing the right hand side and left hand side. So here the multiplication will be 5 and 5001 plus 5 will be 5006. So when this is an even number, so easily dividing it by 2, we get 2, 5, 0 and 3. So, and 5 will come down as it is, and as there will be 4 places, so 3 zeros will be added. So this is the final answer for 5001 into 5005. So here let us see one last example before concluding this video, that is 4996 into 4997 with base 5000. So minus 4 and minus 3, multiplication will be 12, and here it will be 4993, odd number, so 4992 minus 1, adding 5 here. So here 4992 divided by 2 will be 2496, and then 5, and then adding 0 as we want 4 digits on the right hand side, and then 1 2 will come down as it is. So 2496. So this is how quickly we get 4996 into 4997. So that's it for the video. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be coming with more such tricks, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and also follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.